Today's Leetcode question: binary tree level order traversal. Um, I don't think there is anything in this question, right? You have to print this or return the list of all the levels. Like in this example, return 3, then 920 in another array, and 1517 in another array. Okay, that's quite a simple question as per me. Input, what is going to be an input? Root. Okay, cool. Output, list of list. That's what we are required to return. Let's go through some things. So what about the size? Can root be null? uh, it can be null. Okay, null. And maximum in real interview it won't matter, but here we have 2000. Okay, and what about the values of the tree? Can it be 0, negative, positive, duplicates? I think everything is possible in this case, right? So negative is possible, 0 is possible, any value, so duplicate is possible. Fine. Let's go some edge right test cases. This is my checklist. Edge cases, test cases, algo design, code, time, space. So um, edge case test case is when we have a root null as 0. That's one edge case. Or a skewed tree. That means only one side of the tree is there is no other child for that tree. So again it will be only one, maybe single root node only. In that case again we have to just return one. So what basically the algo is PFS. That's it. There is nothing else in this code. I'm going to write code, but I think overall time complexity of is O of n, and space will be O of n because we are going to store every node into the list and then we are going to return. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's write code. So taking care of the base case, if not root, return empty list, right? What we have to return in this case. Yeah, otherwise let's have a queue, collections.tq, a queue with the root in it. And while queue, what we have to do is we have to have a temporary list, right? And let's say we have to take snapshot of length of queue. So length of queue, and then for that many times we have to pop that element, and we are going to add elements in the same queue, right? So that's why we have to only pop until these many number of times. I hope it's making sense. So for I in range n, what we have to do is node is equal to queue dot pop left. So remove the first element from the queue, add this value to the array, and one more thing I forgot, a result is going to be a main list, right? And keep doing this. and if node dot left queue dot append node dot left node dot right queue dot append node dot right, that's it, and do this. So let's say in this example we have three in the queue, right? So n is 1, so it will iterate for one time. So what it's going to do is it's going to pop that element 3, it's going to add that value to the temp, and then it's going to add 9 in the queue and 20 in the queue in right left to right order. Now if we didn't had this, uh, all the nodes will be added in same level. So we have this loop, so that it goes only till the level length of the level that is present in the queue. So after this iteration we have two nodes in the queue, which is again the next level, right? So when we come again here, it will run for two times, it will empty this level, and it will, after that it will have the last level. So that's how it's going to work. And then we have a result, right? We have to we have to add to the result append temp. So whatever the level we have we have generated, we have to add it to the main result. And once all this is done, then we have to return the result. I think that's it. Is there any bug, any spelling mistake, anything? Let's try and see. This is base case, so let's see. I've solved this question many times before, I think, like, yeah. Okay, successful. Fine. Thank you. Good night. Goodbye.